Hello everyone, today in this video we'll get to know what is a gateway, how it works and see an assembly we made in Autodesk Inventor 2019. So let's begin. First I'm going to show a compact assembly of this gateway. Here it is. As on the screen now you can see there is an assembly of a gateway. So basically this compact assembly contains many parts like this bearing housing, the bearings, shaft and a pair of gear, spur gear. And let me show you other views of this. Here you can see this one, the top view, this side view adjustment, and then isometric view. Okay. You can see this very clearly, how well finished it is in the pods of the bearing. In fact, it's very easy to design gears, bearings and shaft in Autodesk Inventor. You just need to have the calculations and put in the values and you get the ready-made best assembly in Autodesk Inventor. So basically what is a gateway? Here's the answer. It is a system of gears which transmit motion from one shaft to another, that is bringing the motion from this shaft to this one. You didn't get that? No worries. We move on to internal view assembly and see in detail how it is working well. So here it is. This is the complete assembly. I'm going to explode it for you now. Yeah. So now you've seen the exploded one. I'm gonna pause it here. Yeah, perfect. So guys, as I was mentioning the parts, this is the bearing housing. These two are the bearing. This is the shaft. This is the gear. This is again a shaft, again a bearing and a bearing housing. So what does basically a catering do? So this is the bigger gear known as the driving gear, and this is the small gear known as the driven gear meshed with this big one. And this driven gear, so this driven gear has the speed twice of this big gear, that is the driving gear. The action is simple, that the power is transmitted from bigger gear to the spur driven gear through the shaft, and this shaft connecting to the driven gear generates power. Oh, sorry, not generates. It transmits power onto the next level. Here you can see there is a key. I have also exploded this and moving to show you well. This is a key. It prevents the moving of the shaft along the gear. As soon as the gear rotates, it prevents the motion of the shafts. Okay. So let me give the exploded view once again, so you can see that how well it gets exploded. Yeah. So meanwhile it gets exploded, now we should talk some applications of this gateway. There are very common applications of this gateway, like gearbox of an automobile, lathe machine, heavy duty machine press, and etc. It's a widely used gateway since it is simple, efficient, and give a very good power to output ratio. Thank you for watching the video. Hope we want to see another assembly soon. Thank you.